Welcome to the Arbutus Analyzer tutorial series. This tutorial will be how to export multiple analyzer tables into one Excel spreadsheet. To begin, simply open a table in Analyzer and then choose Data Export. To send the output to Excel, choose from the drop-down and select Excel. You can choose from one of the available choices. If your Excel spreadsheet is small, you can just select XLS, which is what I'll do here. The name of the table is provided in the table edit box here, and this name will be what is used to populate the sheet in your Excel spreadsheet. You can choose all of the fields to export, which is the default, or you can choose a subset. I'll choose all fields. Lastly, create a name for your Excel spreadsheet. I'll just use test. When I click OK, the log file tells us that an Excel spreadsheet with an extension of .xls has been created in our project folder. Now, I'll do the same steps using a different table. I'll open up the table. I'll choose Data Export. I'll select from the drop-down list Excel. I'll send it to an XLS type of Excel spreadsheet. Notice that the table name has changed. It's now the name of my overview table name, Demo. Again, all fields are selected, and I will choose the same name for the spreadsheet, which is Test. When I click OK, again, all of the information has been written to the same Excel spreadsheet found in my project folder. Now all I have to do is navigate to my project folder and open this Excel spreadsheet. When the Excel spreadsheet is opened, you can see there are two tabs created, two sheets created based on the names provided in the export dialog. For additional information on exporting Excel tables to other applications, please see the Analyzer help or contact your local support representative.